We are data science, analytics, machine learning, and cloud experts. I'll just walk you through the step-by-step procedure and let you know that how the TEKCLOUD can help you to achieve your goals in earning the AWS certifications and what things or what other benefits and the features you will get if you enroll the course with us. So further, let's discuss the overview that who we are and what kind of things we are involved in as of now. Now, TEKCLOUD is partnered with Harvard Innovations Lab Startup. And, this thing is based on Harvard University in Boston, Massachusetts, with others in Philadelphia, Chicago, Austin, New York, Virginia, and Princeton. So, postdoctorates from Harvard, Cornell, Yale, Princeton, and other universities, and they can help you to leverage, or you can leverage their skills in various fields like data science, machine learning, data, IoT, that's Internet of Things, ethics, and cloud. We can offer to you. We can provide you the on-site training based upon the New York City, Boston, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. So we get online training, online classroom trainings, or the kind of corporate trainings on various technical topics. And Innovations Lab Startup that is based, or it's kind of Harvard Business School. So, it's a very good kind of thing where we can use various innovation methods and methodologies to effect learning experience. Also, our consulting partner with Amazon, Cloudera, Hotel Networks, and MapReduce. Ours are US-based post-trades and not leaders with US-based experience. So they're from very good backgrounds, they have experience, and you can leverage their skills to in your career. Program, you certificate from the Harvard Innovation Lab. So for qualified candidates, this certificate will be presented to you. Regarding the timings, we appreciate the fact that you come from different background, whether you're a student or a working professional. So for any one of our programs, you have the flexibility to choose any timing, whether it's a time, evening, weekend class, whichever time suits you the best, we provide you the training in that time frame. Make you how the interview goes on, what are the questions and answers asked in the interviews, because this technology industry, it changes very frequently, right? So you prepare you for the interviews, so they're kind of mock interviews and doubt clarification sessions where you can ask the doubts, any questions you have, you can just ask questions and we'll just respond to you to your queries. Now that's either you can get in the sessions and you can put your queries. This can be online or the classroom, or you use our blog session where you can just put your queries, and when one of the experts will get back to you with the answer. In resume and interview preparation, this is quite important because after the program, if you have to go ahead and induce the confidence, the way you speak, the way you answer the queries to the interview panel. So are responsible to make you fill up with all these kind of things. Also, clients, and we are integrated with various partners that help you to get the job. And we requested marketing, strong and effective sales team for quick placements. We give you the placement assistance where we have the sales team dedicated, and they will guide you through and help you to follow to various clients and companies where you can just go and get yourself familiar on the job and interview. So everything starting from training, place systems, marketing would be us. And once you get placed and you start working on various tools and programs, we give you the live on-job assistance and support. Experts are professionals who give you live on-job assistance and support because once you go into the company, it is you might have some kind of queries that how to work on these tool, or you might come across some kind of services that you need to have hands upon. So our experts will help you to go through that. So benefits and the key features. Let's go on cloud computing basics because cloud computing is one of the hottest technologies around. Especially states demand of the cloud computing professionals across the globe. So the basics of it, what it's all about, what computing. The practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, match, and process data run a local server or personal computer. If we cloud computing, what it just means that any application and service that you're hosting or data that you're storing being stored or being processed or hosted not in a local PC or local machine or on your premises, but somewhere else in a remote data center. That's computing. And now the cloud computing is being used everywhere. And as a nation, we all are using cloud computing. The applications that we're using nowadays, they're cloud-based. Anything stored like Google Drive or Dropbox, they are cloud-based. So it's a part of our daily lives nowadays. By the end, it was a $40 billion industry. Next 9 years, it would be $241 billion. So in this decade or in next 9 years, there's potential for the cloud computing professionals. So are an architect, data professional, networking, software architect, testing or big data architect. So a huge potential for all working on this cloud computing domain. The cloud nearly 90% of the businesses. Let's look at web services on AWS. This is one of the cloud computing platforms and many competitors in this field, like Microsoft, Google, Salesforce. Right? We'll discuss more about the AWS or Amazon Web Services right now. What is this? It's a subsidiary company of Amazon.com. It's a very popular e-commerce platform. It's a cloud platform that is offered by Amazon, a vast system of pay-as-you-go data centers that provide the infrastructure for much of the World Wide Web. Now, right now, it's dominating, and 2/3 of the cloud computing is being dominated by the AWS. Now, that 1/3 of the internet users visit an AWS cloud-powered website daily. Right? It's growing. More websites are being migrated to the AWS platform. It was officially launched in year 2006. It's almost 10 years now. I guess 2 months ago, they just completed their 10 years or a decade in this industry. Now you might be that AWS is one of the cloud computing platforms in the market, like Microsoft, IBM, Salesforce, DigitalOcean. So why with AWS? AWS right now it is holding the biggest chunk in the market. Regarding as a service domain or IaaS sector, AWS holds 27% of the market share. Microsoft, that is 10%, IBM 7%, and sure is being shared by different competitors in this field. The 1 million customers worldwide, and that includes the 600 government agencies worldwide. Government, they're using the AWS cloud for their defense and research programs. And organizations are running their web applications on AWS, like Reddit, Netflix, Expedia, and you have Adobe, Accenture. So big companies, they host it, or they collaborate with the AWS to host their services and application on its platform. The AWS is huge. Now they are scattered across the globe. As of now, they have presence in 190 countries with data centers in 11 regions across the world. So data centers, and they are scattered in the form of regions and availability zones. Your capacity to between 1,000 to 80,000 computer servers. So that's the capacity of each data center being managed by AWS. So best that they have this huge global presence, and you can leverage their services in any part of the world. Regarding AWS is earning about $6 billion per year, with $1.5 billion in revenue in Q1 of 2015 alone. So doing great. So they're earning good from this business, and they're going green. AWS is committed to sustainable energy and committed to achieve 100% renewable energy for their global infrastructure footprint. This more and more companies like Facebook, AWS, they are going towards a direction where their data centers are solar powered. I guess most of the data centers that are owned by AWS are solar powered. They run with solar panels. So that's a good thing, because data centers, they consume a good amount of electricity and they emit pollution. So they're committed to make our data centers carbon free. Right. About the AWS. Now I'll walk you through a very simple